in Sydney, Australia. Faze are your Intel Extreme Masters champions.
FaZe Clan have done it. Nobody expected to see them do it, at least not in this capacity. 3-0, a best of 5 versus the Danes, who are so damn hot into this tournament. Turning Counter-Strike on its head, where else but Australia? A spectacular performance. They couldn't do it. They've tripped and stumbled so many times on the grand final stage, and now, while hamstrung 1 star less, they managed to do it versus the very team with a star in their logo.
Against all odds, Alex, FaZe has lost last 4 IEM grand finals, and now with a stand-in, looking very poor up until this point against Astralis, who looked indomitable. They managed to close it out.